I'm Rick Buck and I've been a diamond consultant for over 6 years. In this video, we will do a side-by-side diamond tennis bracelet size comparison on the wrist, as well as give you different price comparisons at each carat size, all along giving you different tips and tricks to help you save on diamond tennis bracelet shopping. We will compare all the tennis bracelet diamond sizes in this video to this 3-carat diamond bracelet on a woman's wrist. So here's a close-up of a 3-carat 7-inch tennis bracelet. Now, normally I start size comparisons with 1 carat because that is kind of the standard for diamonds, but I'll explain why I don't with tennis bracelets. So now let me show you some prices of a 3-carat diamond bracelet. These 3 prices here are for a 3-carat tennis bracelet from the link below this video. The top price is for one made with medium quality natural diamonds. The middle one is for high quality natural diamonds, and the bottom price is for high quality lab created diamonds. Now here's Kay Jewelers' price for a somewhat similar bracelet. Kay's is more expensive, but also realize the gold here with this tennis bracelet is a low quality 10-karat gold metal bracelet, and the diamonds are also terrible quality. So as you look at the specs for this bracelet on Kay's website, they have I3 clarity, which is terrible. Watch my clarity comparison video to see the difference. Now let me change the view for just a second to show you a far away shot of the 3-carat to see what it looks like. Now to give you as much comparison as possible, here's another shot of me measuring the diameter of the diamonds on the 3-carat, and the diameter is around 2.28 millimeters, give or take a little bit. Now as far as the prices go, and I were paying for a tennis bracelet, I would pay slightly more for medium quality natural diamonds or for the lab high quality. But now you have context for the rest of the tennis bracelet sizes that I'm going to be showing you. So now let's put up a 1-carat tennis bracelet on the wrist and compare it to the 3-carat side by side. The diamonds look significantly smaller than the 3-carat, but carat is just the weight of the diamond, and on a tennis bracelet, the carat normally refers to the total weight of all the diamonds on a 7-inch tennis bracelet. So if you get a longer tennis bracelet at the same carat size, all the diamonds will be smaller to get the same total weight on a longer bracelet. Anyway, as you can see from the prices, 1-carat tennis bracelets are only offered at lab prices in the links below this video. Moving on to the 2-carat tennis bracelet, and once again compared to the 3-carat. Now here's something to note. I had the model here wear the ring to give you a better understanding of the diamond sizes. The center stone on the ring is 1-carat, and you can see that the bracelet diamonds aren't even close to that size. You can also see that the bracelet diamonds are between the size of the halo diamonds and the accent diamonds on the band of the ring. Now, as far as the price comparison, even the highest quality diamonds from my recommended website are less than the terrible quality Kay Jeweler bracelet. So let's get into some of the mid sizes now. Here is the 4-carat diamond tennis bracelet on the wrist compared to the 3-carat. The great thing about the 4 is we are starting to see more sparkle to the diamonds as well. If you want more sparkle in these diamonds, make sure that you get a prong style tennis bracelet, as they will let in more light than in the bezel style bracelets. The trade-off here is that the tennis bracelets with the bezel retained diamonds are more secure, but they don't sparkle as much. These bracelets in this video have 4 prongs, but others have 3 or even 2. Now when it comes to the prices, you can also once again see a lot of savings here as well. Now this is the price comparison at 4-carat, and I put in 14-karat gold on Zales, which is now a good metal for their bracelet as opposed to the 10-karat at K's. But their diamonds are still terrible, and it'll cost around $6,000, so you would still save buying from the link below this video. And that is, once again, is for better diamonds and good metal too. Now let's look at the first bracelet sizes we've looked at all side by side. You can see the gradual difference in size. Realize these diamonds are not certified, so it is important that you use a reputable diamond retailer like JamesAllen.com, who lent me these bracelets today, and a big thanks to them. They are a very reputable place to buy diamonds, and I recommend buying your diamond tennis bracelets from them. You will have more selection and more variation available to you. You can see their diamonds obviously sparkle a lot, and I will link to these bracelets specifically below this video too. Once again, they're extremely reputable, and if you click on those links, it will help you get these bracelets that sparkle a ton for less cost to you, as you've already been seeing. Now let's look at 5 carats on the hand next to the 3 carat. You should know that you can get these tennis bracelets with different shaped diamonds too. It doesn't have to be round. It could be oval or princess cut diamonds as well. You can also get them in different designs. Now the prices here are going to start looking different. K's has it for $6,000 with the cheap 10 karat gold again. So if you're looking for a compromise to save money, I would go with the lab diamonds in this case online over the 10 karat gold from K's, even though we're looking at comparable prices. And I should note, I feel this way with tennis bracelets, not with engagement rings. And that's because there's more of a representation and symbolism with engagement rings. But watch my video on engagement rings for more on that. Now we jump to a 7 karat tennis bracelet. Okay, we're starting to look at larger carat sizes, and they look impressive. One thing should be noted about the actual size of the tennis bracelets in their length. To get your size for a tennis bracelet, you need to measure your wrist where you want the tennis bracelet to kind of fit. And then you add about 1/2 inch. And that is the size that you need. If that number you come up with is smaller than 7 inches, you will still likely have to buy a 7-inch bracelet and remove some of the links to shorten the length. But that's not entirely bad, because when you do, you save those links in case you lose one of the diamonds, and then you can just replace it. Now, here's one at Zales that is 14 karat gold, but with terrible diamonds, and it still is more expensive than the best one from my link below. Here's an 8 karat diamond tennis bracelet. Tennis bracelets used to be called eternity bracelets until a famous tennis player lost one during a tennis match. Now tennis bracelets are a fashion piece that can be worn casually and also for fancy events. This is the great thing about tennis bracelets. They are worn in many situations. It is because of this that tennis bracelets are very much in style right now. Even if you bought this as a poor quality 10 karat tennis bracelet from Zales, it would be more expensive than a high quality bracelet from my favorite website at this carat size too. Now we arrive at 10 karat diamond tennis bracelets. This is high roller status, but if I might be able to say a few words about tennis bracelets, you see, people will often wear a few tennis bracelets together. If you wore this 10 karat diamond tennis bracelet with a few smaller tennis bracelets, you will definitely be making an elegant fashion statement. And that's a lot of times what they do, is people will wear a few of these together. Now remember, you need a reputable place to buy tennis bracelets, so the diamonds are actually what they say they are. This bracelet right here is in the $17,000 range, no matter where you buy it. But once again, the quality and sparkles will be better from my favorite website. Here we have all those last diamonds all next to each other. You can see the jump in size is not so subtle anymore, but mostly because they are so good quality. But also what's important to notice about these is they all sparkle so good. The bigger they are, the better they tend to sparkle. Just make sure you keep them clean. I have a video on how to clean your diamonds optimally. Now here are all the diamond tennis bracelets on the same wrist and hand in order. So make sure you watch my ring, pendant, and earring diamond size comparisons if you want a better idea of the sizes. The most reputable and low-cost jewelry stores are linked to below this video with their bad diamonds already filtered out. Like this video if it helped you out, and once again, thank you to jamesallen.com for lending these diamonds. They are amazing.